Hello guys, welcome to Osbildung. So today we will solve few numerical that will be based on a source transformation. That is transformation of current source into voltage source and voltage source into current source. So let's begin with today's session. So first question says here, convert the following current source to equivalent voltage source. So here we are having a current source and in parallel we are having 10 ohm resistance. So we have to convert this current source into voltage source. So here we will use the source transformation. So let's see here. The circuit current source will be converted into voltage source in this manner, and the circuit will become here. Here we will have a plus minus voltage source V, and here in series we will have a resistance. So here Ri is equals to Rv. This resistance of current source is equals to resistance of voltage source. So here this resistance will become here as 10 ohm, and here voltage is equals to I into R, that is 10 into 10, that is equals to 100 volt. So this is the equivalent circuit or equivalent voltage source of this current source. Question says here, convert the following circuit into a single voltage source. So here we are having two current sources, and we will convert individually these two current sources into two voltage source. Then finally we will convert that into a single voltage source. So let's begin. So first of all, convert this 8 ampere and 4 ohm into a single voltage source. So here we will have plus minus V is equals to I into R. So here I is given as 8 into R is given as 4. So here it will be 32 volt. And in series we will have a resistance that is equals to 4 ohm. In similar manner, convert the second current source into an equivalent voltage source. So here we are having 12 ampere and 6 ohm. So here we will have plus minus V is equals to 12 into 6, 72, and here we will have a current source that is equals to 6 ohm. This is the terminal X and this is the terminal Y. So now convert this to voltage source in equivalent one single voltage source. So here we can see this V equivalent will be equal to 72 plus 32, 104 volt. Because we can see here minus to plus we have taken positive, and again minus to plus we have taken positive. So these two voltage value will be added, and also resistance value will also be added because these are connected in series. So here it will be 4 plus 6, that is equals to 10 ohm. So this is the equivalent single voltage source for this circuit. If you all like this session, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye guys.